What's up YouTube, it's Spumatic back at it with another video. And this one, I'm putting some rain guards on the Murano. Easy. Gonna put those over here. I think it will look nice with the tents. These tents are about 20%. Should make it look a little darker. With the little rain guards. And I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And these are Inchannel. So, Inchannel, so alright, let's get started. So I did a test fit on the rain guard. Looks a little tight. I'm hoping when I get it cleaned up and tape it in there, it'll be a good fit. Just gonna clean these things off.
These bitches is wifey. Shorty scrolling through the images. She wanna ring no scrimmages. Shorty really gon' remember this. Shorty finishing my sentences. The ones that you see on the IG. Those are the ones that gon' try me. Those are the ones that do your grind. None of these bitches excite me. Shorty scrolling through the images. Shorty really gon' remember this. She wanna ring no scrimmages. She tired of the games and scrimmages. Tired of games, tired of names. Ain't shit changed, my phone ring. All of the notifications they going off. You ain't the lazy tender.
So these are AVS. They don't feel very sturdy. My first impression. But I'm hoping that they will fit nice. Just add a feature to the car. So now we're going to clean the channel with the alcohol pad Stay Supply. Just a normal alcohol wipe.
For you help someone else. I want you just to free yourself. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Shorty, I don't know why you're tripping. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Shorty, I don't know.
So now I'm removing the tape, so exposing the sticky side.
None of these bitches is wifey. Shorty scrolling through the images. She wanna ring no scrimmages. Shorty really gon' remember this. Shorty finishing my sentences. The ones that you see on the IG. Those are the ones that gon' try me. Those are the ones that do your grind. None of these bitches excite me. Shorty scrolling through the images. Shorty really gon' remember this. She wanna ring no scrimmages. She tired of the games and scrimmages.
Now you want to roll your window up.
Chicks on the IG, researching which one like me. None of these bitches is wifey. None of these hoes excite me. She saw a post on her Pinterest. She had a dream of a princess. Returning her love with interest. She stayed too long on the internet. She should've tweets on her Twitter. Just cause I know I don't hit her. One day I'ma slip up. I know you're waiting for me to pick up. Thinking all of that social. Starting to make it kinda local. Demons in the closet, door closed. Wanting you to free yourself. Love you for you love someone else. I want you to be yourself. no room for no other bitches. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Shorty, I don't know why you're tripping. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Ain't no room for no other bitches. Shorty, I don't know why you're tripping. The ones that you see on the IG, those are the ones that gon' try me. Those are the ones who you grind me. None of these bitches is wifey. Shorty scrolling through the images.
So that was a sale. I don't know if it's really fit, so I'm gonna return them. It's not letting the window clear, and I think even when it fits, it's not gonna make a difference. So that was a fail. I don't recommend these for the Murano. Sorry guys. So that was a fail on the AVS rain guards for the Nissan Murano. Didn't like the fitment. It was rubbing on the window when I was putting it up. They said to let it sit for 24 hours, but it really wasn't clear, and I don't think that would make a difference. So I recommend not to get them. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some more videos coming up. My car is currently at March Tuning, and we're getting it all worked out to get it put on a dyno. So if you're not familiar with my the channel, I have a GTR, a DBA GTR, and it's running on E85 with full bolt-ons and other mods and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how much that thing could make and how much the stock GTR trans can hold. Okay, keep tuned, subscribe, comment, like, and hit that notification button for me. I'm also still doing the $100 cash giveaway when I reach 500 subs. So subscribe, it's free, and you might win $100.
The images, shorty really gon' remember this. She wanna ring no scrimmages. She tired of the games on scrimmages.